And James, what tips can you provide someone trying to learn bar chords? And I thought that I saw it fly by for a second that Cosmoverse was asking about bar chords too. Cosmoverse says, bar chords are a serious issue for me. It stopped me from progressing and learning the guitar, honestly. Are there any secret tips beyond practice? Yeah, I think that sticking with the minor might help. So for me, I have such little pathetic hands that playing Little Demons actually does hurt. But the bar chords in which you don't need to use your middle finger to make a chord, like this song starts here, right? So I've only got the one finger that I can bar across. So that does make it much more difficult. But if we go, oh, Waffles wins! Waffles wins! But if we go to the minor keys, you see how I can use both fingers to apply the pressure. And so I just recommend that you don't go into, like, let's say for a B or even like an F chord or a G chord, like try to avoid those for now so that as you're getting comfortable, just use those two fingers to apply more pressure to be able to push it down. Yeah. It's much easier, but of course that limits what you can play. But if you're just going to practice building up, because I've also got just like a mad callus here. Like my hands are disgusting. Here, even the back of my thumb here, like I don't feel my hands for the most part. Yeah. Meep would still eat them. Yeah, he's not picky about that. He's not at all. And I don't even, like, every time I do this and talk to my hands, I don't even think you can see them in the zoom, but you can see the fingertips. They are mangled. They are mangled. They are not lovely hands. Yes, Dunder, exactly like that. That's exactly what it looks like feeding the meat. Yeah. Got them fretboard fingers with no nerve endings from years of shredding them against strings, I see. You know it, Jomsy. Yeah, you gotta work through the pain. Focusing on triads and not barring. Yeah. Yeah. But if the goal is to bar when I was starting, having the second finger being able to apply the pressure to the first finger to get the sound, because I know that that's what really frustrates you when you're learning, is not being able to get the sound out of the guitar. And then I can use these two fingers to apply pressure across the fretboard. And then I've just got these two fingers that I can... And then when you're ready, when you feel like you've got enough callus that it's not hurting as much, you can apply enough pressure that it makes a good sound just across. Then you start moving into the other kind of chord shapes. And then I can start doing those major chords. Cassie, I know. Poor fingers. You got this. You got this. So yeah. Just work through the pain a little bit. Definitely when I was starting at 14, yeah. I definitely went through the bleeding fingers phase. I think we all went through that. Chords to practice those bar chords. Franco. Yeah. Basically, once your fingertips only register pressure but not texture or temperature, bar chords will be dead simple for you, yeah. Basically, once you can't really feel your hands, everything is fine.